Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is your brother Omar. I wanted to leave a quick testimonial on behalf of Quran's Reading Center and especially Brother Muhammad. I have been a student with Brother Muhammad for a couple of months right now, probably over 6 months. And one of the things I've noticed is that he has a very depth knowledge when it comes to Tajweed rules. He comes to every lesson with a lot of patience and clarity. What sets him apart is his ability to adapt to different learning process and pace. He will right away be able to understand how each student is different than the others, and he will adapt to their comfort level and then pick it up from there. One of the things I noticed with him is that in the very beginning, he starts to assess and all students, and from there he picks on where they're weak, and he will pinpoint all the weakness to the students and how they can improve on those. And then from there, as the student starts to get better and better, then he will pick up the pace and starts to get faster and faster. He is one of those brothers that is always excited to every class. I've never noticed him complaining or saying that he's tired or he has other challenges and whatnot. He's always ready to start the class and make sure that he uses the complete time, whether it's 30 minutes of the class or full 1 hour. He will go all the way to the end of the class, so that students may benefit from every single session. So I highly recommend Brother Muhammad and Quran Reading Center. If you're thinking of signing up, feel free to sign up for the trial class. I'm pretty sure you will not regret it. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.